So hey guys, welcome back to M&M channel, and today's topic is the future of Indian journalism, where the Indian journalism is going. So on panel today we have
Hi, I'm Harish Mahatme. I have just finished my diploma in journalism.
and we have
I am Manax Manushali. I am in final year mass media. I am majoring in journalism and I've just lost my internship. Yes.
I want to ask you all both a question. Like any few news channel you find irritating or disgusting. The first, like y'all don't want to listen, like y'all don't want to see to that channel. Like just shut it. Which are these? Any channel you all think of?
Off the top of my head, the first channel I get is Republic TV and Z News.
I knew it. I knew it.
Yeah, so
Harsh, what about
it
you?
is a
Yeah, so I'll concur with Manaksh on that. Manaksh, right? I'm so sorry, man.
yeah.
So I'll concur with him on that. I find Z News very obnoxious. Not obnoxious per se, but yeah, I don't really agree with their style of journalism. And then, which is the Amish Devgan channel?
News 18,
News
I think.
18. News 18.
Yeah,
News 18.
News 18. Yeah, that's one. That's
Okay.
the other one.
Any specific
Republic.
reasons? So I'll go for Manoj. Any specific reason for not liking Republic and Z News? Like one like good reason.
The problem with Republic TV is that it is all rhetoric, zero substance. Like I'll give
Okay.
you an example about boycott Chinese, right?
Yeah,
They were
I know.
airing an episode about boycott Chinese, which was sponsored by Vivo.
Am
Okay.
I?
It is yeah, Vivo and MI. It is very ironical that you're running a program on boycott Chinese and
Uh,
you're getting it sponsored by a Chinese company. Doesn't make sense.
and
And the problem with Z News is that they run fake news on their platform. The best example has to be the 2000 rupee GPS nano tracker chip.
2000 रुपए के हर एक नोट पर NGC यानी नैनो GPS चिप लगा हुआ होगा।
I know
And
that. Yes, I
there
have
are
that video.
many such examples. That is problematic in itself.
Harsh, what about you?
I really didn't like Sudhir Chaudhary's rant after Delhi elections, like calling the people of Delhi Mufat Khor and like um who are only like to discuss politics over drakes in parties. And
लेकिन जब हम वोट डालेंगे तो वोट इस चीज पर डालेंगे कि मुफ्त में कौन कौन सी चीज कहां पर लगी हुई है। जब हम वोट डालेंगे तो हमें यह देखना है कि सेल कहां पर लगी हुई है। दिल्ली के लोग राष्ट्रवाद और राष्ट्रीय मुद्दों पर राय तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी रखते हैं, लेकिन वोट डालने बाहर नहीं निकलते। यानी दिल्ली की जनता ने आज भी यह साफ कर दिया कि दिल्ली के लोग आलसी हैं। वो अपना सारा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू जो देते हैं सब स्मार्टफोन पर देना चाहते हैं। सोशल मीडिया पर ये सारे लोग एक्सपर्ट हैं।
I mean, come on, man. They pay taxes. Okay, it's okay. You might not agree with Kejriwal. You might agree with him. That's secondary. I mean, everybody has an opinion in this country. But come on, they pay taxes for that. I mean, that is clean water, electricity. This is something not just them. Everybody deserves a free. And I don't see how it adds up for Muftkhori. I mean, Kejriwal is not providing them free gulab jamuns like every day. And like, okay, yeah,
Correct.
you might call that Muftkhori, but it's it's like the basic necessity. I mean, water, electricity, good healthcare system. How's that Mufatkhori?
Politics and religion is the key
Hmm.
source for the Indian journalism. Like every time I see they are fighting on politics and religion, politics and religion. And if there's something out of the news, it's funny.
Definitely. Like if you turn on a news channel, there is a high chance of Mandir Masjid going on. There
Correct.
is a like 90% of the debates you see, there is a guy who has a beard, who has a topi. Like you bring in a Maulana, you insult him. That's all
Yeah.
debate they have. They
It's
don't
like
have like
it's like
proper
call a
debates.
particular
There's
person
no
on your
issue.
panel and just
Yeah,
insult.
yeah. There's no
That's highly Republic.
issue per se on
You're
which they debate.
pinpointing to Republic. You can clearly say Republic.
And no, in general, like there are a lot of news channels which
No, if
do that.
unless or until you don't want job in New Republic, you can clearly bash them. No problem. You'll get a job in Z News or somewhere. Don't worry. NDTV will take you. Don't worry.
No. Hopefully.
Harsh, what about you?
See, man. I mean, the thing is, given that how many religions exist in India, and like how many people exist who follow like each and every faith. I mean, debates about religion are bound to happen. And given that we have such a multi-party system, debates about politics are also bound to happen. And given the fact that Indians are highly opinionated about everything, we debate and like all of these things are going to happen. But it is sad to see that even though we are debating on what is good and what is bad, we have lost that sense of mutual respect we should have for each other. I mean, like Manaksh said right now, you call a Maulana to lambaste him about some stupid thing. I mean, which is not even connected to that Maulana. That Maulana is sitting in Lucknow in the masjid, and the bombings took place in Jammu and Kashmir by some Pakistani terrorists. That Maulana has shit to do with it, and you are calling that Maulana just because it is someone from his religion and lambasting him. Somewhere we are losing that sense of mutual respect that we should have for each other. Or politicians fighting like it's a fish market in parliament. I mean, um, somewhere, I mean, yes, healthy debates should happen. Opinions should be exchanged. Maybe even heated debates should happen. But sense of dignity, sense of respect, we are losing that.
I'm beginning to think that some of those Maulanas aren't even Maulanas at this point. There's just some paid actors who are kept there.
Like
Maybe.
like they are kept for speaking something about. I can totally agree with you.
Yeah, like Sambit Patra shouting every night, Rahul Gandhi aisa hai, Rahul Gandhi aisa hai, or people from Congress shouting, Narendra Modi aisa hai, Narendra Modi aisa hai. I mean, uh, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't
But
interest anybody.
guys, I think BJP has changed their spokesperson from Sambit Patra to Arnab Goswami. So I don't think so. We should be scared for that. Arnab Goswami is doing a great job by being the BJP spokesperson. I
Like, is
think
he officially appointed?
of course he is. Like I have seen him a lot of time talking about BJP only. Okay. So my next question goes to like this one. I have seen. I think so. Y'all have also seen this a lot of times. अगर हम लोग न्यूज
Yeah.
चैनल खोलते हैं, कोई भी न्यूज चैनल खोलो, there'll be this one
Hmm.
thing coming down on their strip, the number
Hmm.
one news channel, the number one news channel.
Yeah.
I have seen that in 6 different news channels saying that we are the number one.
Yeah.
Okay, so I find a bit funny because I have gone deep into it, and the number one news channel is something else only. Okay, they're not the number one. They got one award or something like that. They think that they're the number one channels. Okay, so have you all noticed that first?
Yeah. Like,
Yeah,
I'll
definitely.
give you an example. India Today India Today says that it is the most watched English channel.
Huh.
So they had put out an ad saying the times have changed. The Republic now watches India Today.
Okay.
To which Republic started a counter campaign. They're spreading misinformation. We are the number one channel. So basically, you don't know what is the fact. Everyone is going on and saying, "I am number one. He's number one. This that."
Imagine we're getting a job somewhere and we're working for them. Okay, and if we go off track and we want to publish, like we got some great stuff, and what we can say, breaking news type stuff, and you want to upload it. If your boss says you can upload it, but it's a threat to your life. Okay, in Mumbai or anywhere, murder, getting beaten up is easy for journalists. I have met people who are beaten up for a particular stuff which they have uploaded, or they have said something about pro BJP or against BJP or all that stuff. So do you all think that all Indian journalists who prove to be truthful are safe?
Not everyone is safe. Like, we know that. Like, take that story for example, when the reporter in Uttar Pradesh was reporting on the midday meals. The midday meals consisted just of a roti, salt, and water. He was imprisoned for what? For simply reporting what the ground reality was. A lot of Kashmiri journalists also, they have the UAPA के अंदर डाल देते. They invoke the UAP upon them and they put them inside. So I don't think they're safe. Even if you're trying to speak the truth, you can be charged for sedition or UAPA, regardless of what the truth may be.
Or I would, I mean, if my boss isn't allowing me, I would act as a whistleblower.
बाहर
Send
से
it to
पैसा
someone.
कमाओगे जनाब, So this question is going to an unemployment thing. Okay. So if we talk about unemployment, like applying jobs right now is difficult. I can understand the economy is not good. People are tend to leave their job, like they are thrown out of their jobs because they don't have a particular amount to pay. And if we if we go for internships, if we go for news, they says they want 5 to 10 years experience people. Okay.
Yeah.
So there's a particular criteria which they want an experience in, which we don't come in because we are the first hand getting out of PG journalism or somewhere anything like journalism. So do you all think that journalism, if they want a proper, like I'm not saying for a background of me, like I want job. For everyone who's getting out of journalism right now, at some point they'll need jobs. Okay.
Yeah.
पढ़ के भी कितना पढ़ लोगे, कभी ना कभी तो जॉब ढूंढना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है. बट अगर जॉब ही नहीं मिल रही है तो क्या करें? Okay.
Like this has happened with me. I got an internship. 3 days later, the lockdown was implemented. I was supposed to interview. The lockdown was implemented, and 4 days ago, I found out that the internship was cancelled because they sacked 60 people.
Okay.
It was a reputed media house. So things are definitely looking grim right now. They are saying, I also heard that they won't be hiring for at least 1.5 to 2 years.
Yeah. So what will be your backup plan for that?
I think I will pursue something else, like probably teaching or something.
So you're thinking that if you don't do well in journalism field, you don't get job, you will change the field.
For now, because if nobody is hiring, then there's no point in pursuing, right? Like appointed internship getting cancelled says volumes about people who don't even have anything right now.
Okay. Harsh Mahatme, what about you?
Yeah, so same as Manaksh, got an internship in a reputed magazine and got rejected to it after this thing was supposed to begin from 1st of April. Lockdown was announced. Never got any call back from them. But
I think so. I know that.
Yeah, you're aware.
So my last question will be like, if you're getting a chance to join a particular news channel, okay. If you all want to join a particular your ideal news channel, you'll want to join, which one will it be? Okay, this will be shocking. I'll give my answer first. This will be shocking. I want to join Republic. I want to join it. I'll tell you the reasons why personally, but I want to join Republic. That's my point. Y'all, what are your point?
I applied at Republic.
Same. I've gone through that interview also. I was rejected.
I would personally like to join India Today or NDTV probably, but Republic I won't deny either.
If you get a good offer there from Arnab, then
yeah, it is robust. I mean, it is not going away anytime soon.
If you get a good offer from Arnab, will you?
Yeah, obviously.
See, these young minds change. Then he'll be a pro BJP. Then he'll be the second. What? Arnab Goswami.
Right.
क्या मोदी जी बेरोजगारी मिटाएंगे? नहीं मिटाएंगे. मेरे को तो नहीं लगता नहीं मिटाएंगे.
बढ़ाएंगे जरूर.
अब उनके पास नया मामला है.
बढ़ाएंगे जरूर.
क्या बोल रहा है?
बढ़ाएंगे, घटाएंगे.
हाँ, of course, बढ़ाएंगे. Harsh, what about you? Which TV channel would like to join?
Okay, so I personally wouldn't like to join any TV channel. I would rather wanted to go into a magazine, write about movies, or write about music, write about travel, or I would also love to do podcasts. And for podcasts, I'd like to be with BBC One because
Thank you so much, guys, for joining for this live session. It's Manash Bhanushali from there. He has his own YouTube channel. The description will be given in the description box below. This is Harsh Mahatme, who's recently started his own. His mom has started his own podcast channel. The link is given in the description below. And thank you so much for joining, guys.